Picking up tools, picking up trash, doing the final touches that make it look good. Like getting rid of this nasty crustcrete edge against these walls. After we get down, there's usually a mess, but we clean it up like this, and you'll see the other side. That we haven't finished it yet. You'll be able to see a difference. There's crustcrete up against the edge of the wall, and this side looks like nice clean dirt. So let's go over there. I try to leave you with what you already have. I don't need to take things if I don't have to. So I'll use your dirt dug out from under your wall or your patio and ask you where to put it in your yard, because why would I take it from you? If, number one, I don't have to take it off your property. It saves me problems, but you have dirt already, and maybe you need dirt and didn't even know it. But yeah, you can see there's a considerable inconsistency to the ground over here, and not as bad over here, but a lot of crustcrete showing. So we'll mix that in or take it out and rake it over. It'll be ready for sod on Thursday after irrigation comes in.